Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to showcase the Agelocer luxury automatic men's watch, Tourbillon series. This timepiece combines style, sophistication, and impressive mechanics. Let's dive right in. Unboxing. In the box you'll find a luxurious case, the watch with a strap, a warranty card, and a cleaning cloth. The watch features a 42mm stainless steel 316L case and a 22mm floor rubber strap, ensuring durability and comfort. Design and materials. The buckle on the strap features the brand name and logo on a 316L stainless steel pin buckle. Weighing in at 93 grams, this watch is both sturdy and comfortable on the wrist. The well-designed crown features the brand name engraved on it, while the synthetic sapphire front glass and 32mm rear glass let you admire the watch's inner workings. Features. Hour and minute hands are equipped with nightlight pointers, ensuring visibility in low light. The watch is powered by a CAL, a 9001 manual mechanical movement, boasting an impressive 80-hour power reserve, double spring barrels, and a flying tourbillon. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 5 bars. Price and anniversary discount. And good news, May marks the 10th anniversary of the Agelocer brand, so there's a 20% discount on their site. The price is just €940 36. This luxury timepiece is worth every penny. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Agelocer luxury automatic men's watch from the Tourbillon series offers a high-end finish and exceptional mechanics, guaranteeing a wow factor. Don't miss out on this amazing timepiece, and remember to take advantage of the 20% discount during their anniversary celebration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.